In this story, we bring you significant news from the United Kingdom regarding immigration policies and reforms. The UK government, under the leadership of Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, announced a substantial increase in the minimum income threshold required to sponsor a family member's visa in the country. Effective immediately, the income benchmark had surged from £18,600 to £29,000, marking an increase of more than 55%. Furthermore, there are plans for a subsequent rise to £38,700 early next year. This decision comes as part of the government's broader strategy to address immigration levels and reduce the burden on taxpayers. Mr. Sunak's Conservative Party has emphasized the need to cut unsustainable and unfair levels of migration, particularly in the light of looming general elections, where immigration remains a key poll issue. Interior Minister James Cleverly explained the rationale behind this policy shift, highlighting the strains posed by mass migration and the imperative to safeguard British workers and wages. He emphasized that while there are a number of simple solutions to this complex issue, the government remains committed to ensuring that newcomers do not become reliant on public funds. The revised income requirement aims to promote self-sufficiency among families seeking to reunite in the UK. Provisions have been made to allow various means of meeting the threshold, including savings and income from employment. Cleverly expressed pride in government's swift action, asserting that these measures are vital to protecting British workers and building an immigration system fit for the future. In addition to adjustments in income thresholds, the UK government has implemented stringent regulations on student visas and increased the health surcharge for foreign nationals accessing the National Health Service, which is NHS, by a substantial 66%. These measures are part of a broader effort to reduce overall immigration figures, which currently stands at 745,000, aiming to bring the number down to 300,000. As this story continues to unfold, we'll keep you updated on any further developments. Stay tuned with One India News for more insights and analysis on this evolving situation.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.